So I am here with Sara Sullivan, who's an executive loan officer with Rocket Mortgage. And we talked last week, and you had one program in particular that really made our entire team like perk up and say, wait a second, tell us more, because we think it will be really appealing to our clients. So can you just go ahead and kind of hit the highlights and share the same information with all the folks?
Absolutely. And thanks for having me on today. What we were talking about last week is a Rocket exclusive program that is our 1+ program, or 1-2 free. It's allowing our home buyers to put down as little as 1%. So it's really opening up who can buy a home right now and who is eligible, and not make you have to wait like you think. So our Rocket 1+ program is where the buyer, the homeowner, is looking to put down as little as 1% down payment. The other 2% is going to be covered with a non-repayable grant by Rocket Mortgage. And then there's no monthly mortgage insurance cost to our buyers. So that's only 1% down from the client, 2% given to you, forgivable by Rocket, and then that mortgage insurance paid for the life of the loan.
It's amazing.
This is a conventional program, so it's going to be a 30-year fixed rate. The minimum credit score is going to be 620, but we definitely have credit upgrade and ways to assist you in getting to that if you're not quite there yet. You can put anywhere between 5% and 0% down. There is no limit on the loan. The only qualifying item is that there is going to be an area median income required, and that's going to depend in the area that you're looking for. We also, this is not just for first-time home buyers, we can use qualifying rental income. So if you are looking to expand, grow to your next home, and rent out the one that you're in right now, we can use 75% of that rent to qualify towards this without selling that home.
That's amazing. So what about, this is, like the word of the year, or words of the year, interest rates. So can you tell us about that part?
Absolutely. So this is just a conforming conventional loan. So it's going to have interest rates that are very similar to a conventional loan. When I checked over the weekend, we wrote 3 of these over the weekend, and had all the offers accepted on our team, and they were right at par with conventional rates. So they are no more expensive than any other loan program.
Okay, that's great to know. And can you combine it with like buy downs, rate buy downs? Like, can you do stuff like that too?
That is a great question. Our buy downs are so popular right now. For those of you that are not aware of what those buy downs are, it's a 3-2-1 buy down, where for an upfront fee at closing, which sometimes we can even get into a credit from the lender to pay for, or even paid by the seller right now in some situations. With that upfront fee being paid at closing, your mortgage rate is going to be less for the first couple of years. So if you are afraid and pausing on purchasing over those rates right now, don't be. This program allows you to buy that down right up front, have the lower mortgage rate and interest payments for the next couple of years. Rocket is also going to track that mortgage for you. We're going to call you when the rates go down and get you into a longer term rate lock once they do go down. Just to give you an idea of how this can compare to similar programs out there, like the Home Ready. Home Ready does have reduced mortgage insurance, but it's still $95 almost a month. That would be $0 a month. So walking into this purchase of a $300,000 purchase, you're saving $100 a month and $6,000 up front. That $6,000 can then be used towards that buy down that we talked about. And this is a conservative estimate. The average loan amount on this program is usually anywhere between $400,000 and $450,000. So this is just an average and low estimate at what you could be saving on a purchase in this area.
Who's your average buyer that's using this program?
We do have a lot of interest in first-time home buyers, but that is not the only buyers that we have in this. Just to show you what that qualifying rate what that qualifying income looks like. If you go to Loudoun County, and this is a public AMI search that you can check in any county that you're looking for around here, you can see that in Loudoun County, Virginia, that for a one-person household, that median income is $120,000, $320,000 a year.
Any downside to this?
Honestly, the only thing that I have seen is upsides. This is a very competitive program with FHA. A lot of individuals with the lower 3% down payment are going, or with the 620 credit scores, are more qualified for an FHA loan. As you and I know, when we're going and showing our clients homes, FHA is not necessarily as appealing in an offer. So these come through as conventional loans and knock off that mortgage insurance.
So if people are interested in this One Plus program, I mean, they of course can contact us and we will be happy to get them in contact with you. But I mean, any other suggestions?
You can also call, text, reach out to me anytime. I'm available 24 hours a day. I'm there on the weekends when your clients need those urgent pre-approvals. So just feel free to call me at this number or email me at this email address below.
Perfect. We really appreciate it. Like we said, when you told us about this last week, we were all like, wait a minute, like this could really make a difference for a lot of people who are looking to buy. So, we're happy to share and have you share this information. And then hopefully we can help some folks feel more ready to find their perfect home.